Hi guys, Gurusahej and his papa are FaceTiming with some of his family members. Let's have a look.
Gurusahej. Oh, Gurusahej. Oh, Dadima. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Look, somebody is very cranky at me. Look at this face. Have you seen this face before? Look at this face. Huh? Make some noise and he gonna start noise. Mecca, what we gonna do with that?
I don't know.
I smell stink actually. I think he pooped.
That's not it.
Choose it.
Is it Papa's turn? Say who you want.
That's not a good thing because he starts saying Papa.
Ha.
Papa.
Papa.
It doesn't mean like a Papa is going to change the nappy.
Papa, change my nappy.
Nah, it's mom's duty. Gurusahej. Oi Gurusahej. Who gonna change the nappy? Papa or Mama? He said like you can continue with you. I'm going to be This is very stinky
I
actually.
think I better go and change his
I
bum.
think wherever you have to go and otherwise make some noise. Okay, see ya, bye. Hello, Sastrikal ji, Sastrikal, Sastrikal, Sastrikal. Say hello. Say hello there. आज शनिवार है ते आज कुछ खास बनना है मैं कह गई है market. Me and Gurusahej is at home and get something like from Indian grocery. I think the paneer. Today we are going to make a palak paneer actually. And where you wanna eat the palak paneer? Gurusahej? You wanna be the palak? You wanna say something? Do you wanna say something? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Patches, where's the ball? Okay. Can you get back? Step back. Back. No. Gurusahej, are you enjoying this? Who's that? We haven't introduced with the Patches yet, yeah? The Patches. Hello, Patches. How are you doing? Step back. Good. Look, somebody is watching. Way. Are you looking, huh? It's a beautiful weather outside actually, and Gurusahej is watching cartoons. La 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 la. So you watching cartoons, huh? Grsat, I'm looking you.
He changes color to match the background.
Look at. Oh. Yeah, get it. Get it, Grsat, get it. Yeah, you're gonna get it. Yeah. You can get it, Grsat. Come on, get it. So what's he cutting?
Something's hiding in the fire. Let's go and see. You're not an eagle.
Grsat, Mom is here. Let's see, that's it. Left side to right. Here we go. Hello, Ka. Yeah, I'm so hungry today.
You want Pelican?
Oh yeah. Mom is here now.
Baba! Hi! I love that smile. You planking? Yeah.
Yeah. Stay there, watch cartoons, and we'll be back, okay? I am. I'm showing what the Mecca got today.
The grocery haul.
Yeah,
I got some organic teething rusks.
oh, for
Organic
the
ones. That's his surprise for today.
Oh, that's it.
Some bananas.
So he has something to eat with us.
Yes, he has his bananas
Okay.
for you two boys.
So now we are sitting on the chairs. Grsat got his food, and I have to still wait because Mecca is going to cook. What are you cooking today?
Palak paneer.
So you're going to feed Grsat first, yeah, which is on me.
Yeah.
And Grsat has a nanais. You have a nanais, Grsat? Ah, he loves this biscuit, yeah.
He does. He loves it.
Huh. Do you want to share with the papa and mom? No? Do you want to share?
That's my.
No? Hey, you wanna, huh? But not this one, huh? Your cartoon is coming. Banana with pajama. that's it called?
Bananas in pajamas.
Oh, bananas in pajamas. Not with the... Anyways. Oh, you have it. Grsat has already eaten and he go to sleep now. And we're still continuing with that. Not too long actually, huh?
Need to make some roti.
Oh, you need to make a roti, that's it. The wait is over. So now the wait is over. We are too hungry actually. Are you, Mecca?
I'm starving.
Oh, but here's the palak paneer. So I need with the butter.
A little bit of butter on top. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some for me. Little butter.
I think last time we had in Melbourne, yeah?
Yeah.
So now you had it like...
Well, that was an amazing dinner.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking now we have a cup of tea.
I need a cup of tea actually. Because I'm totally full and overloaded. I really need.
Okay then.
I'm gonna wash my hands and yeah.
And I will make a cup of tea.